All right, so here we are, March 22nd in the futures market. So I'm in this trade, not supposed to be in this trade. So what happened was I had an order in, and then I ended up adding another stop in there and stopping, getting stopped out. I don't remember what I was doing when I did that. I don't know. Something happened, but I apparently had an open order in. So on Thinkorswim, there's a tab that says monitor. So that's a tab that you should always check. If you don't have Thinkorswim, whatever you're using, always check to make sure you're not holding any positions and you don't have any open orders that you're not expecting. So yeah, I found myself in this position. At least I'm not really losing any money. It's, I mean, a little bit, $72 kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So I put a stop in here. It's a long position. I know that because it's a green at number one. So I was giving it a chance to, let's see what it does. But we have a red light, green light here showing up. So to the short side in about a minute, 15 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And then we're going to reverse our trade in 10 seconds and play the red light, green light. And then it'll probably go up. And I'll take a loss in red light, green light. All right, here we go. Okay, so now I'm short. See how it's a red number one? So now we're in short. Hopefully we can recover our loss, which was about $75. This 20 is because it's a part of today trade, and I entered it in this day somewhere. I don't know what happened here, but anyway, so there we go. So now we're in red light, green light, short. Gonna mark it up, erase all this other noise. All right, so marking it up. Yeah, I was long in this trade accidentally. Now watch this thing rally to like all new highs, and I could have made a killing if I just stayed. But we're going to trade the ALGO because that is a statistical proven probability. And the other one was who knows what's going to happen. We were just in a trade. All right, so there we go. All right, so we'll put our stops in, and then yeah, we'll see how this thing turns out. All right, so this trade is all in, all set up, so I don't have to sit here and watch it. I got my my stop if it does a spike. I got my other stop marked up. I got my limit order here for my target. I got my alerts to let me know what's going on. So, but yeah, so basically we're ready to go. So once we cross 50%, I'll move it to break even. If not, we'll when we get stopped out up here. So we'll see how this thing plays out. All right, so went to bed and then woke up with a nice little winner. So that worked out pretty sweet. So there we go. So we got our winner in there, and then we'll see if anything else shows up today to trade. But I'm gonna shut this down for now. This video will be finished, and then if something else comes up, I'll make another video. But yeah, there we go. Winner, winner, winner. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.